Hey guys, in this assignment you're going to be writing an equation for a transformed absolute value function. This is going to be done in IXL, and so let's take a look together at how to solve these problems. So first we're given a graph of an absolute value function, and then we are told here at the bottom that we are to write this, or the equation of this function in this space right here. And you're given two tools to do this. This tool right here, where you see two boxes on top of each other, is a tool for inputting fractions. And this one right here with the two bars on either side is how we input an absolute value function. Well, this thing has the shape of a V, so we know that it's an absolute value function. I press that button and I'll have the opportunity to type in an X. So now I have my parent function, the absolute value of X. This would have a vertex on 0 and a slope of 1 off to either side, or 1 on one side and -1 on the other, I should say. Now we need to look at how that graph has been transformed. This has a slope of 1, goes over 1 and up 1, so I haven't changed the slope at all. But what I have done is I've moved the vertex up 7 places. And in order to move the vertex up, I add some number at the end. And so in this case, on the outside of my absolute value bars, I add 7, and that moves the vertex up 7 places. And so now what I can do, I have my equation, and I can hit submit and hopefully find out that I am correct. And this is how this is going to work pretty much every single time. Here again, we've got an absolute value equation. Pardon my bad typing there. So we start with our parent function. We can see the vertex has been shifted up 4 for an vertical transformation. I would add 4 to the outside of the absolute value bars, and I can see again my slope is 1, so nothing has changed there. And I can again submit. Now we see one that has been shifted horizontally to the left or to the right. Again, it has a slope of 1, so we start with our parent function, the absolute value of x, and this time we can see it's been shifted to the left by 9 spaces. Now remember, when shifting horizontally to the left and to the right, it's sort of backwards of what we would naturally think of it. To shift into the negative part of the number line, I'm going to add 9. And I'm going to add that 9 on the inside of the absolute value function, and that's going to scoot it over by 9 to the left. And as you can see, that is a correct answer. I want you to complete this all the way through to a SMART score of 90. Don't go past that. We haven't really ventured into the territory covered by the challenge problems, but all the way up through 90, you should be good to go.